Welcome to the Observic tutorial for uploading media. In this video we will guide you through how to upload your video or audio files and how to trim your clips so that they can be reviewed. So as you can see, we're on the dashboard page. It's the first page you see after successfully logging into Observic. These steps are the same for whichever page you're on, but we'll start here. So in the menu bar you'll find a link called Media. Click here. And we will now come through to the media page where you see all the video, audio files, documents uploaded to your Observic account. Next we click this button in the top corner, Add Media. Your browser will now open a pop-up page which will give you a few options. Firstly, select the type of file you wish to upload, either video or audio. Then give your video or audio a title to distinguish it from others on your account. And next click the button Choose File. This will then open a system pop-up where you locate the file on your system. And once you've located your file, please click Choose. Now, we will then now go back to the previous pop-up screen, and your file name should be shown under the video audio section. You'll also see a preview of your video and a blue timeline now appear underneath. This is where we now trim the file to highlight a certain part of the video which you would like to review. It's worth noting that smaller size files upload quicker and will be easier to review at the next stage. To trim the start and end point of your video or audio file, drag the two blue tabs to the point you desire. You will see that a live preview of the trimmed audio or video will now play in the preview screen. To review your trimmed video before uploading, click the blue play button. Or to pause, click the blue pause button. Finally, when you're happy with the amount of video that you need, click submit and you will see a message that reads video, audio processing and uploading. This may take some time. It's worth noting here the amount of time it takes for your upload to complete will depend on the strength and speed of your internet connection. Video uploads normally take longer than audio files. Once your file has been uploaded to your account, you'll be redirected back to the Uploads page, where you will see a new file ready to be used in the review, as we see here. That concludes this video tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.